Welcome to online classes, students. Our today topic is our surroundings. What the meaning of surroundings? We all live in a surrounding which includes living things and natural forces. A clean body leads to a healthy mind. A healthy surroundings lead to a healthy nation. As a responsible citizen, we must keep our surrounding tidy so that we can live a healthy life. I'm repeating my words, dear students. As a responsible student, or as a responsible citizen, we must keep our surrounding tidy so that we can live a healthy life. What we can do for a healthy life and a surrounding tidy? So we can throw the garbage in the trash bins, control of use of plastic bags, encouraging the use of bicycle, activity like carpooling activities, right? To keep our surrounding neat and clean. So in this video we are going to start about our surrounding, do and don'ts, throw some sentences. Okay, so start the chapter. The first picture, we can use kitchen water to water the plants. And second, we should avoid burning firecrackers. In the first sentence, picture want to say us that we can use kitchen water the plants. And in the second, we should avoid the burning firecracker. The first sentence is true because we can use the used water for water the plants. And in the second sentence, we can see this one is also true because we should avoid burning firecrackers. So both sentences are true. We should apply in our real life. So come to the second picture. The usage of chemicals and pesticide in agriculture should be reduced. What the meaning of reduced? To overcome, right? To minimize that thing. So the usage of chemicals and pesticides in agriculture should be reduced. In the fourth sentence, we can see the more plastic cups, bags should be brought in use. Is that right? The first sentence, the usage of chemical and pesticide to reduce, that is true. Because there are a lot of, we can say, disadvantages of using of chemical and pesticide in agriculture. So that's why this sentence is true, that we should reduce these chemicals in agriculture. In the fourth sentence, we can see the plastic cups and bags should be brought in use. And this is false because plastic cups and bags are very harmful for our environment. That's why this sentence is false. We can't use these plastic cups and bags. So go on the next picture. We should try to grow our food in house locally. And the sixth one is people should use more horns or loud music system in cars. Again, read carefully and listen carefully. We should try to grow our food in house or locally. And sixth one is people should use more horns and loud music system in cars. Before discussing the fifth one, we should discuss the sixth one, right? Why we use the horns and loud music system? We all know that horn and the loud music system make noise, and that noise is noise pollution. So why we use these systems in our house? To create problem for others, right? So this one is wrong. So we can see we should try to grow our food in house or locally. That is true. We can. We can grow that food in house and locally. So fifth one is true and sixth one is false. In the next picture, we can see the three sentences here. First, 7. To make compost for plants, we should use vegetable and fruit wastes. What we should do when we use vegetable and fruit wastage to compose the plant? It will be very fruitful for them because the needs of their nutrients will fulfill by these fruit wastage and vegetable wastage. So this one is right. Then eighth one, while having bath, we should use the shower for long hours. We should. No. While having bath, we should use the shower for long hours. This is false one, because this is not the true knowledge is given to us. We should take bath for a 10 minute or a 5 minute. That's it. That is enough time to take a shower, and this is reduce the wastage of water, we can say. To save water logo, that means we have to use the water in that way that we can use the water in a good way. Ninth, we should always encourage carpooling to avoid wastage of fuel. Firstly, I know the students, you don't know the meaning of carpooling. If anyone know, that's good. But the carpooling meaning means that as car sharing, ride sharing, lift sharing, so that the more than a one person travel in a car. So in that way, they can save their traveling cost, fuel expenses, and especially the traffic jams and air pollution too. And the main important thing, they can reduce the air pollution by these activities of carpooling. Right? So these are the seven sentences. The first seventh is true. Eighth, eighth one is false. We should always encourage the carpooling to avoid waste of fuel. This is also true. We can see true. This is the 9 points I have given in this video to show that how can we do better for our surrounding, for our environment, right? In my first words, I can say a clean body leads to a healthy mind. If we are clean, if we are healthy, that means we have a healthy mind and healthy body, right? And when the healthy surrounding will lead to a healthy nation, that means we will lead the nation, because we are healthy when we take our surrounding neat and clean. Okay, thank you, students.